were having some issues with our dryer, and you could hear the timer clicking, but when you push the start button, nothing would happen. And through a teeny bit of research, me being the tightwad that I am and not wanting to call a service man out here, I figured I was capable to fix something like this. So what I found is this little guy right here, get in closer, with two blue wires attached to it. This is a thermal fuse. And a thermal fuse you'll find in dishwashers, you'll find in a lot of appliances. Of course, make sure this is unplugged. So this little thermal fuse right here is bad, and the way that I found this out is, pardon my, I gotta take care of my nails. So the way I found this out is, very briefly, I hooked these two wires together, plugged the unit in, hit the start button, and she fired right up. So instead of a $50 service call plus probably $50 for a part, and maybe before sinking $150 into your dryer, this is very common. We have a Whirlpool dryer, and they're almost all the same when it comes to Whirlpools, even the newer models. This is an older front load and a top load matching washer set, but I would recommend trying that before, like I say, shelling out 150 bucks. All I have to do is go out tomorrow, pick one up. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed that I can find one here in Findlay, because I don't want to wait. But that's all I got for you. So I figured I'd give you that tidbit, help you save a little bit of money. Take care, guys.